G'day, this is a pretty quick video on how to build and deploy a .NET Razor web app to Heroku with the assistance of Docker. So hopefully this video will be a bit of a reference to assist you doing that. If not, I do have a written copy, so I'll probably send that through as well. So first of all, you want to set up some of your folders. So obviously, in this case, we're going to make a folder. We probably will call our project just J's test app. And inside there, we're going to make a source folder. Beautiful. Next step is we want to enter the source folder and then create the .NET app. So we use the .NET new app web app build out function. UI test app, and that should build it out, I think. Yep, beautiful. Everything's in there. Okay, cool. So just quickly jump in to pages and edit index just to pretty it up a bit and let us know that our changes have taken effect and the website's doing what it should. We made it. All right, awesome, done. We go back to the root folder. From there, we need to set up and configure Heroku. So if you don't already have a Heroku account, you can create one and you can log in here. And then once you've done that, we go back to the terminal and then we do a Heroku login to register the terminal with you. It just collects a token through the browser. So to do that, you just install the Heroku CLI. I think it's got a Windows, Mac, and Linux version. And then you just type in Heroku login. That'll pop up a browser. You log in through the browser, and then it stores a token, and you finish that workflow, and it'll be able to authenticate all future Heroku CLI instructions. So then we want to create a app. So we go Heroku app create, and then followed by the name of the project. Test app. And that'll do its thing. It'll create the app. And you'll be able to verify that on Heroku once you've logged in. It'll be in your projects and all that kind of stuff up there. So it's been created. Awesome. So we can go back to the terminal and proceed with the other setup instructions. So next one, I think we need to set up Docker. So we need to create a Docker file. Got one that I prepared earlier. Took a bit of messing around to get it right. So it'd be pretty boring probably to see me type it all out anyway. So Docker file. So just use whatever text editor you're planning on using, and just create a file that looks pretty much like that. I'll send you the stuff in text file, and then you can just copy paste that out. A couple other files we need to create. We also need to create a Docker ignore file just to keep our Docker small. So I think that is Docker ignore. Yeah, that's it. Then, we can edit that. Yeah, I think that's about the stuff that we want to ignore. I don't need VS Code, but a lot of people doing it probably will, so I'll put that in there. And then we need to create a Heroku YAML file just to help get Heroku build itself out. So we can vim Heroku YAML. Just looks like that. That's it to use the Docker file. So next we need to register all this with Git. So Git init, Git add, and do initial commit. All right, that should be all that done. I probably forgot to do the git file, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Cool. They probably, yeah, probably also create a git file, which I've got hiding somewhere, but overlooked. Right, here it is. Anyway, I'll send you the stuff for that. I guess just for good practice, I'll chuck it in. Like that. How about we nuke that git? And then we'll try again. Okay, cool. Hopefully that's still doing its thing. Yeah, a bit better, a bit smaller. So from there, once you've done all that, then we need to log into the Heroku Container facility. Just by Heroku Container : login. Yep, just gives you a bit of a warning. I think obviously for a test app, don't need to worry too much about that sort of stuff, unless we're going to probably configure Docker with more sort of security focus. But anyway, that should be fine. Next one, you just want to push your source files to Heroku. So do that by typing Heroku Container : push web. We're going to just call the dyno for that web. It's just test app. We're going to call the app web in that other app. I couldn't find that app. Typo it. It's that. Okay, cool. We got a typo in the original. So let's have a look. What did I call it? See if that helps. There we go. Can't see it. Where's my typo? I don't know. It's too late. Can't see it. Oh, it's a business J test app, no plural. No source files were specified. Docker build. Oh yeah, right. We didn't customize our Docker stuff, so we need to tell Docker where our app is going to be. So there's that, and then again down here. Deal out. I love it when tutorials have mistakes in them, but anyway, can't be buggy redoing it, so it is what it is. Git add. Be really lazy with comments, and then we can push it again. No source file. What's bitching about? This is a second ago. Oh, right, because I didn't do a plural there either. Cool. Maybe we'll have a bit more luck if we do that way. Just did a search and replace, and hopefully that'll play more nicely. Yep, looks a bit better. Yeah, so as long as you don't make a bunch of typos like I did, you've had enough coffee, enough energy drinks, you should be right. Alright, so that's building out. don't really have anything to pass the time, so I guess we'll just watch this. Maybe I'll speed it up in editing. I need the audio channel in a different interface to not speed up the audio as well. Oh well. Very entertaining. I guess numbers are getting bigger. That's what we're all about, isn't it? We like to see our numbers getting bigger. One day I'll learn to do my oral deliveries better. Might sound like I'm half asleep. Still going. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Have a drink. Water, good. Still going. Maybe some reading material would be good. What do we got here? 2600. It's volume 38, number 4. What are you looking at here? Interesting stuff. Maybe that's for another video sometime. Alright, successfully pushed. Awesome. So now we need to release it. And we do that by another Heroku CLI command. Test that. Just release it. So that way once it's been pushed, we can tell it to load up the latest commit. And once you've done that, yeah, it looks like it's been successful. This is just for people who are too lazy to copy and paste the URL. Let's just open up the browser. And Dome. Oh my god, my typing's horrible today. Yeah, okay, so that's Dome. We made it. Kind of. So that's pretty much the video. Nothing too complicated in there. Just a bit of messing around between different tutorials to get something that would work. They all seem to kind of work a third of the way, so I just combined what worked into this little instruction here. So good luck, hope it helps, and see you in the next video.